We're gonna be here for about 30 minutes.
Okay, I got him growling, so good.
All you gotta do is poke him and then he starts growling.
I'm scared for
I'm gonna post this on YouTube.
No lick.
I didn't hear him growl.
Somebody make sure Shadow's not.
He growled. I'm gonna send this to Gina sometime. It's hilarious. How he growled over me.
Dude, you're kind of scary, man. Here.
You're gonna be on YouTube.
Oops, sorry. Lick.
Oh my god.
Did you spill that
He
one?
knows my touch. But he doesn't know yours. You have to do it. He recognizes my touch.
You can't have my nuts.
I'm gonna post this on YouTube. Once he's done with it, it's just gonna be like a 20-minute video. Just of him eating cat food.
And growling. Give me my spoon, man.
Okay, Morgan. I want you to check YouTube when I post this to see if. If he's looking up, we're on YouTube and you need to listen.
He's such a jerk.
I know, right? He needs to learn more nice.
He needs to learn how to share. Stingy.
Stingy person. Clothes on.
I don't think I'll make this video very long because it's about done. Good, because I don't want to sit here for 20 minutes.
What are you gonna call it?
My cat growling while eating cat food. I'll cut that out though.
What?
Me saying that.
My God.
Hey!
Who's ready to go to bed?
Not me.
I think we all are.
Is there a cereal?
That light will be going out here in a minute.
Oh crap.